Caleb Ramanand here. We're here on 103 Highway 12, Dairy Queen.
Okay. Yeah. Zebra gang, zebra gang. Yeah.
It's a little bit chilly out here, so let's go inside and check out some chili treats.
Did I scare you? Over there, howling door. It's Christmas time. We're trying the candy cane chill. So here's the candy cane chill. Looks pretty cool. Go like this, kind of fancy. See it for yourself. Looks pretty good. Let's just see how it tastes now, because no one cares how it looks. Here comes first bite. Choo choo. Oh, guacamole. That's a lot of candy canes. Let's try a second bite. See if it's any better. Bombs up. It's not that great. Ice cream belongs in the freezer. Candy canes belong on a tree. If you like candy cane chill for the fun of it, you're a bad person, okay? Ice cream's supposed to be soft, not crunchy, you dungo. What the heck are you thinking? This is the grossest thing on the planet. Candy cane chill sucks. I give this 2 thumbs down. Check us later on Caleb Ramanand Food Reviews.
Bring 'em that guap, bring 'em that guap. Bring 'em that guap, bring 'em that guap. Guap is the only thing I even talk about. Turn your head, close your eyes, plug your ears, shut your mouth. I'm a lyrical maniac. Watch your Lil C and J Swiss cooking in the house.
J Swiss is my name and this is my game. Bro, I don't even do this for the fame. Y'all be thinking that I'm going insane. I'm just gonna change the game.
Dang boy, dang boy.
Zebra gang.
So presentation on the candy cane chill. Looks pretty good. See for yourself. I don't like candy canes, but other people say it's good, so let's try first taste. Choo choo, here comes the train. I'll try that again.